Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to post stories on Instagram for only your close friends. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, you guys, so here the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open Instagram and we're going to swipe left to open up stories. Now here you can start uploading whatever story you want. You can create a video, a picture, or you can even swipe up to open up your pictures and just upload them to your story. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a picture. Now, after you have your story ready, you have two different options at the bottom. You can share it on your story, meaning that everyone that follows you can see this picture, of course, with the exception of the people that you might have blocked on your stories, or you can post it on your close friends. So I'm just gonna tap close friends. To differentiate a normal story to a close friend story, you simply have to check the color of the ring that's around your story. So for example, mine is green, meaning that it is added to my close friends and only them are able to see it. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe down below. Bye.